What's up guys, and oh boy, I've got some really interesting news on the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3, which was recently confirmed by Samsung on a display camera technology, S Pen, brand new all-thin glass, the Death of Note series, and much more. So without any further ado, let's begin. So I've got this info from a Korean website. I will link this article in the description down below. You can check it out. And like I told you earlier, Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been confirmed by an official from Samsung, and it is confirmed to be launched on 22nd June 2021, which is a bit early from this year's Fold. We're gonna get an S Pen inside of it, as Samsung is discontinuing its legendary Note series, but I will talk more about it in my upcoming video, which would be coming pretty soon, so make sure you subscribe for that. It was initially going to come with Galaxy Z Fold 2, but the screen was not yet ready for a stylus and it could have damaged the screen. But with this year's Fold, we're getting a stronger and durable display, which is a second gen all-thin glass technology with a curved display technology that's going to make the display much stronger, which indeed would be able to support S Pen functionality. And speaking of which, we're also gonna get under display camera technology from Samsung finally, so there would be no notch, no hole punch, just a full view display with edge-to-edge corners. It would be possible by placing the camera under the OLED display, and with the help of the new technology that would enable the light to pass through the display so that you can capture pictures. Samsung was initially planning on giving us a pop-up camera, but they scrapped that idea and went with the under display camera technology. However, under display camera technology has a big con of deteriorating the quality of screen and photos, so if the final result adversely affects the user experience, it would be excluded from the mass production. But fingers crossed, I hope that we see it on the final product. As of now, I have no intel on the camera specs and the internal specs, but I'd keep you guys posted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm very excited for this phone. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Subscribe for more of this stuff, and I will see you guys very soon.